This is Rodney Ackerman. I help people who are anxious about their job security and have insufficient retirement savings to build a profitable business online. I was in the same situation, so I'm speaking from personal experience. Not everyone is the same. I'm not too sure why you would be looking at generating an additional income. For some people, it's about financial security. You may be concerned about losing your job. You may want to build up additional retirement savings, or you may want to travel more, or you may want to work from home to spend more time with your family. I never ever saw my children because I was always working for a boss somewhere. Those years are so precious. And if that is what is of value to you, then that's a good reason to build an online business, to work from home. You may want to simply cover your ever-increasing medical costs. As we age, those tend to increase. To make money online, in fact, to make money with any type of business, you need something to sell. You could be selling products, you could be selling monthly subscriptions, or you could be selling your hours. There are people that build a business selling their hours. The problem with that is there's no leverage, and that is one of the benefits I felt that online marketing holds for us. Time is the one thing we can't make more of. The time we don't use is time that's lost forever. Let's explore the different types of products. There are physical products, things you take off the shelf, put in a box, close the box, stick a label on it, and send it to somebody. Or you could be selling digital products. And there are 4 business models that I learned of in the training course that I purchased online. And I'm going to recommend you purchase that course as well. If you look in the description below this video, you'll find that I am an affiliate for 2 products. The one is an online training course. It is a course that was designed by a company that doesn't just sell training courses. They actually use what they train you on to build and grow their own business. Now that is an important factor with online marketing because that world is continuously changing. So they're always exploring to find out what the best way of marketing is to grow their own business, and they'll teach you that in their training course. I highly recommend you buy that course. And lower down you'll find a link to a business platform that you will need for an online business. You need somewhere to store contacts, to send out email campaigns, you need a website, and you need many other features. All of those are available in that business engine that I'm talking about, and that one you can join for free. And that allows you time to explore it, to make sure that it is what you need for your business. So the free version lasts forever. There's no time limit, and that is fantastic because it takes quite a while to learn these things. And when you're ready to upgrade, at least then you know what you're paying for. So I may earn a commission on either of those products should you purchase on those links. Right, let's take another step here. Let's dig into this a little bit further. I mentioned physical products and digital products. Let's first have a look at what I have here is the issues of physical products. To sell physical products, you need to have inventory on the shelf, which means you need to have either a supplier or a manufacturer or even manufacture yourself, which is a very complicated business model. You need a marketing team to sell those products, or maybe you don't. You see you have a question mark there. You definitely need a sales team. That's the team that will send out the invoice, and because people don't often pay on time, you need an accounts collectible department as well to make sure the money lands up in your account before you ship the physical product. and you need margins to carry the cost of this, because as you can see, it's a very cash intensive form of business, and you still have the cost of acquiring a customer. Let's have a look at benefits of a digital product. Now, the benefit of this product, digital product, you create once, and it's just a copy of a digital product on your server. If somebody orders one, you make a copy of that product and you send it to them. If they order multiple products, you make multiple copies and you send out multiple copies. Each time you do that, you still have the original product on your server in your own business. You'll still need a marketing team, or do you really? You definitely still need a sales team to collect the money, to make sure it lands in your bank with that accounts detectable department that I've mentioned already. And you still have the cost of acquiring a customer. Let's close that so we can have a look at it. I'm just going to move this up a little bit so you can see what I'm going to be talking about here. So why do companies have affiliate programs? Now, I had heard of affiliate programs and I thought I knew what it is all about. And by the way, some companies refer to ambassador programs. So make sure you search for those as well. I was surprised to find how many large corporates in the world have affiliate programs. Probably the best one is Amazon. Now, let's explore this in more detail. In traditional marketing, or in the world of advertising, what you really do is you spend money on adverts and you eventually get a sale, or sometimes you don't for quite a long time. So during this time you're spending a lot of money, and when you do get a sale, sometimes you don't even know where that sale came from. So as you can see, it's a very inefficient way of making your product known to the world. Now, in comparison with that, this is how the affiliate companies work. They only pay a commission when a sale is made. In fact, they wait for the money to be in their bank, and then most of the affiliate marketing companies only pay commissions at the end of every month. So as you can see, it's a much more cash efficient system. And they have the other expense I've mentioned, that is the expense of getting a customer. So as you can see, that is why a lot of businesses have affiliate marketing programs. I'd just like to remind you that in the description below this video, you'll find that I mention I'm an affiliate to the two products that I'm marketing, the one being a link to the company that sells that training program that I mentioned about, and I highly recommend you buy that course as well. There is a link to a business engine which you can join for free, and the free version has full functionality, and that'll give you time to fully assess it before you decide to upgrade. And maybe you don't even need to upgrade. That would be your choice at that time. I look forward to taking you further down this journey in the next video. So please look out for more videos from me. Thank you for watching.